Hello, in front of me I've got EPOMAKER F75 Max. In this video I'll show you how to disconnect your keyboard from PC. To disconnect your keyboard from PC, if you are connected via 2.4 dongle, simply disconnect the dongle. If you are connected via Bluetooth, go to Bluetooth settings on your PC. Go to Bluetooth, select your keyboard, and remove device. If you are connected via cable, simply unplug the cable. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.